Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the in-cabin air filter on the Jeep Cherokee KL. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. Man, we've been breathing in that stuff. This is the stuff that went through. My God, that's terrible. So lately, my wife has been complaining about the smell of feet in her car. It's not necessarily a feet smell. She just says that it smells like feet. And 9 times out of 10, in order to fix that smell, is to change the in-cabin air filter. The filter I'm going to be using is just a MicroGuard filter. I picked this up at my local O'Reilly's. It was the one they had in stock. There are many brands out there. I'll go ahead and put some links down in the description below. Now, without wasting any more time, I'm going to show you guys how to throw it in there real quick. Now, the filter is going to be located in the passenger side underneath the dash. So I would recommend sliding your passenger seat as far back as possible to give you as much room as possible. Next thing, you're going to come down to this panel down here. This one here, it should just peel right off. You can get up above it and get your fingers in there, and it should just pop right off. Carefully. Now, it does have these little clips right here. Just do your best not to break them. But once again, just give it a good tug, and it should come right off. Now, next place you're going to be looking for is right here. This is where your filter is actually going to be. And there's going to be a clip on the bottom and a clip on the top. And I'll show you more what this looks like once we get it off. Now on the bottom here, there is just a little clip. You should be able to push that down and pop this off. Now on top, there is another clip. It's kind of hard to show you on camera. It's kind of tucked away up there. But if you follow along this right here, you can reach up and you will feel that clip. And it should just pop off. The clip is attached to the cover as opposed to the bottom is attached to the assembly. Now this here is your filter and it should just pull straight out. Now as we can see, this filter is extremely dirty. This is nasty. This is extra nasty. That's trash. Ugh. Now the new filter should have an airflow direction on it. It'll say airflow and it will have arrows, and that is the direction of flow you want through. So if air is going in this side and coming out this side, that is the direction of flow. Now if you forget the direction of flow is also on that cover. So this cover mounts just like this. So as you can see, airflow is towards the seats. Now all we need to do is get it slid on up here. There we go. And make sure that it is slid all the way in. This is definitely hard to do one-handed. And now we can go ahead and reinstall this cover here. We want to go up over the top. Make sure that it's clipped on. And then just snap it in down at the bottom. And now all we got to do is reinstall this cover piece. And there we have it. And just like that, simple fix, cheap fix, quick fix. Anyway, if you like this video and you found it helpful, go ahead and just hit that like button. As always, don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on Instagram at It's Project Venture, as well as the Tickety Talk at It's Project Venture. Thanks for watching.